how to deploy websites on Emergent AI website builder. So guys, before you trigger the live push, perform a mandatory final review. So navigate through your generated pages and check contact forms, ensure your database triggers are firing, and verify your navigation links. If you already have a website or want to create one, use the prompt command bar. Okay, and in order to create a website, you can just choose web app so that it's a website, then convert. Then create this kind of prompt or something similar. You can copy mine or just, take it as a base and modify it and click send. Then guys, the underlying AI engine instantly passes your semantic tokens, compiling your CSS variables, media placeholders, and structural DOM tree layers on absolute autopilot. And it's happening, as you can see, in only about under 30 seconds. And then once your initial workspace preview loads, do not waste time clicking through heavy layout menus. You can move straight to the inline AI chat modifier. And if you are willing to do any modifications, you can always use this window right here and provide further prompts. And then guys, when all of the necessary changes will be made, you can look at the upper right header utility bar. That will be somewhere here once of course the generation is complete. And then click publish or deploy. And the platform automatically assigns a default secure subdomain wrapper, provisions a Let's Encrypt SSL security certificate, and pushes your assets directly out to a global edge CDN network layer. Alright, so as you can see, just wait for it to finish. Letting an AI engine handle your structural layouts, foundations, and edge deployment queries strips all the technical friction out of your web launch strategy. So that's pretty much it. Simply done, as you can see. If this video was helpful in any way, make sure to like and subscribe as well.